Since 1993, we have produced and supplied extended life building materials and structural timber components for thousands of clients around the world. Our core markets include marine and shoreline construction, custom residential construction, farms and ranches, zoo exhibits and theme park structures, commercial and public construction and restorations, energy and pipeline projects, and industrial equipment and timber support components. Our unmatched custom production capabilities make us uniquely qualified to supply built-to-spec products for unconventional or advanced design and/or structural requirements. Whether the project calls for components for mass timber construction or support elements for industrial equipment or pipelines, we supply projects worldwide and are certified to provide the ISPM 15 HT stamp for international shipping of wood crating, materials, and custom components. Call us or contact us online to discover how we can help you with your projects.